So yes, Jonathan Ruiz, your accounting coach. So today, we will continue our discussion about transaction cycle. But before that, let me just shout out to those students that keep answering our official MCQs. And aside from that, thank you as well. Kasi you are always tuning in dito sa ating FB Live Auditing Theory Lessons. Actually, I have realizations this week. Marami akong naiisip na pwedeng i-launch na product, pwedeng i-share sa mga CPA aspirants. But I'm getting really confused and uh, I'm trying not to complicate things. So, uh, so this is official. I'm not going to launch an online review school. Okay, CPA Dreams will not be an online review. Okay, so it will not cover the 6 subjects of CPAL o CPALE. Hindi muna po tayo pupunta doon sa full blast online review school. I changed my vision and I will go step by step kasi I think I will be more effective sa paggawa ng lessons and test banks. Okay? Handouts, test banks, summary notes. Which is kasi po, to be honest, yun yung namimiss ng mga review school. Okay? Na ang nagiging focus is, nandoon yung top notchers, nandoon yung sabihin na nating merong kulang. Okay? Let's face it. Kasi, bakit ko nasabi na may kulang? Kasi, in the past 3 consecutive examinations, mababa ang passing rates. Okay? Of course, we cannot say na ito ay problema lang ng review school. Here is, the factor is so many. No, problema to ng estudyante kasi hindi sila nakapag-aral ng mabuti. So this time, I'm changing the approach. Okay, siguro po ang kailangan natin is more of practice, test banks, proper handouts, proper materials. So at the end of September, okay, so this is the good news. I'm planning to launch this test banks. 'Di ba? Meron tayong Sipali handouts na binibenta ko yung 4 subjects. So since auditing theory yung nauna kong discussions and lessons, so now what I'm going to do is I will sell that part. Okay? Only auditing theory for the moment. I will launch it at the end of the month. So I'm working on the handouts again for auditing theory. Okay, I'm planning to do is auditing theory summary notes, and then merong multiple choice questions, and gagawa pa ako ng test banks. Ibig sabihin, pwede kang mag-access sa www.cpadreams.com auditing theory, no? Pagka in-access mo siya, nandoon lahat ng summary notes, lahat ng kailangan mong malaman, and then merong multiple choice questions, pwede mo siyang i-print. Okay? It will be downloadable, pero yung test banks, you need to do it online. Okay? And then habang ginagawa at sinasagutan mo siya, lalabas agad yung result mo. Okay? So siguro ang passing percentage will be 75% and then zero base. Kasi ganyan naman sa actual sipale. Okay? Ang uunahin ko is auditing theory. So I'm working it out. Okay? Just give me some time. Ngayon is marami na akong time to do it. Kasi I will be honest with you, I was affected by COVID-19. So, I was terminated this week. Okay? Gusto ko lang maging transparent na hindi bed of roses ang buhay. Okay? Hindi yun pagka naging CPA ka, wala ka ng challenges in life. So, but I want to encourage everyone na nagsasuffer during COVID-19 pandemic na I'm standing here, I'm doing FB Live, I'm doing the materials while I'm applying for jobs. So, gusto ko po kayong i-inspire. I want to be one of those people na pwede nyong i-look up na he was able to get out victorious during COVID-19 pandemic, during his CPA journey. Alam mo yun, to be honest, nakakapagod. I'm a little bit tired kasi parang pakiramdam ko, eto na naman, another challenges in my life. But I want to show my students that this is part of it. So please, if you are watching this video, please comment. You can do it. So, para ma-encourage ako, I just want to encourage myself and push myself, no? Kasi it's very discouraging. Sino ba naman ang matutuwa na makareceive ng termination letter? But God is good. I believe on that. No, I'm really focusing on my next steps. Okay, but while doing this next step, still I'm going to do the handouts, the test banks, and probably will continue the auditing theory FB Live kasi naumpisahan ko na siya. The truth is, I can drop it so that I can focus on other things. Right now, ang daming nangyayari sa life ko, to be honest with you. But I just believe that God sends angels during the trial. So, I will keep moving on. Okay? So, for those naman po na nag-answers ng multiple choice questions natin sa Sipali Self-Review Group, please, maraming salamat. And if you have any friends that they want to join, please join. And those winners, no? So, 3 yung winners natin na makaka-receive ng pasaload and top 1 natin is makaka-receive ng online course which is yung transfer tax na ginawa ko. So, what you just need to do is email tanruiz@gmail.com para po mabigay yung access, makuha yung number ninyo, and mabigay na sa inyo yung load and yung access mo para dun sa online course. So, keep answering and we will keep doing it. Okay? So, maraming salamat ulit. So, our lessons po ulit is transaction cycle, but this time we'll focus on expenditure cycle. Okay? So, auditing theory, expenditure cycle. Okay, syempre, ikaw, auditor ka, di ba, last discussion natin is yung revenue cycle. Of course, there will be no revenue if you don't spend. Okay? Kung walang input, walang output. Inuna ko lang yung revenue cycle kasi yun talaga yung pinaka-main. Yun yung pinagmumulan. Okay, now, ngayon punta tayo dun sa expenditure cycle. Kung startup company yan, of course, mauuna lahat is expenditure. Okay? Sa expenditure cycle actually, ano yung mga accounts na maapektuhan? Okay? So, sa expenditure cycle kasi, maraming papasok dito. Okay? Marami pong papasok dyan. Kasi, nandiyan dyan ang purchases. Okay? Cash disbursement. Nandiyan dyan po ang payroll. Nandiyan dyan ang fixed assets. Okay? Capital expenditures. Okay? Pero usually, pagdating sa expenditure, yan po yung kalimitang pinagkakagastusan. Okay? Now, actually, related ang purchases natin sa inventory. Yung cash naman, payment ng mga obligations natin. Kaya merong cash disbursement cycle. Okay? Or tawagin, yes, that will be the right term. I think cash disbursement system or cycle. Okay? Now, as an auditor, syempre, lahat, alam mo dapat yan. Okay? Now, di ba sa financial accounting and reporting, lagi per account, yung dinidiscuss per topic. No? So ngayon, actually, I'm going to focus on ano ba yung relationship nito sa pag-audit ni auditor. Okay? So, ano yung expenditure cycle controls? Okay? Na kailangan tingnan ni auditor. Of course, kung hindi mo alam lahat ng processes na nangyari dito sa cycle na to, hindi mo siya maiintindihan. Okay? So now, what I'm going to do is give you an bird's view dun sa purchases cycle natin. Paano nangyayari yung purchase? Okay? And ano yung department na involved? Okay? So, tatandaan kasi sa purchases or yung purchasing natin is sila yung, kumbaga is control para maiwasan ang fraud transactions while doing deals with external suppliers. Okay? So, may iwasan po ang fraud transactions. Pag sinabi mong expenditure cycles, actually, this is a set of purchasing decisions. Okay? Kasi, merong decision na nangyari dyan. Paano ka maglalabas ng pera kung wala namang ipipurchase? Diba? So, laging ganon. Okay? Paano magkakaroon ng cash outflow din kung walang decision na nangyari? Okay, kaya set of purchasing decisions po ang expenditure cycle. Now, as an auditor, kailangan mong tingnan ano yung mga expenditure cycle controls ng internal control ni company. Okay, so kailangan mong maintindihan yan. Okay, so gumawa tayo ng ano yung mga controls na yon. Okay, so papasok dyan yung transaction authorization. Okay? So, meron po tayong transaction authorization. Okay, isa-isahin natin. Transaction authorization, segregation of duties. Okay? Kailangan within departments o yung mga tao is iba-iba ang trabahong assigned sa kanila or else pwede nilang i-manipulate. Supervision. Okay? Actually, pagdating sa supervision, dito rin papasok yung accounting records. Okay? Dito na papasok yung access controls. Okay? And then, dito, meron tayong independent verification. Okay? So, as an auditor, kailangan mong tingnan itong mga control na to. Why? Kasi, makakatulong yan sa pag-gather ng audit evidence. And ano yung mga further audit procedures na gagawin mo. Okay? Now, pwede ba natin gawan to ng acronym? Okay, sige. Gawin natin. Okay? Pwedeng ang acronym niyan is, para mas madali, okay, sige, TSSAI. CHAI. Okay? I-pronounce na lang natin as CHAI. Okay? So, yun yung acronyms natin. Okay? Pag sinabing transaction authorization, ano to? Okay, sa transaction authorization, dito po papasok yung mga approvals. Okay? Okay, sige. Para mas madali nating maintindihan, transaction authorization, okay, dun sa revenue cycle na tatandaan mo, yung credit control department, kailangan niyang i-approve yung sales order kasi baka over the limit o hindi pa nagbabayad, malaki yung outstanding balance. Okay? Dito naman sa disbursement, punta tayo. Okay? Ngayon, sige, sample natin is yung purchases. Okay? Now, meron kasing inventory levels na tinatawag. 'Di ba? Okay. 'Di ba sa inventory? Okay, punta tayo sa manufacturing. Kung manufacturing 'yan, yung company is kailangan niya mag-order ng materials. Material requirements planning. Now, merong specific level yung inventory dapat hindi mag-run out. O may mga manufacturing company, they use Kanban method. Okay? At a set level of inventory or number of items na bumaba sila dun sa level na yon, then kailangan mag-order. Okay? Kasi kailangan ng proper approval para hindi magkaroon ng overstocking. Okay? Bakit din? Para maiwasan ng obsolete inventory. Okay? Kaya, ang inventory department is dapat merong transaction authorization. So, merong mag-authorize na purchasing manager kung tama ba yung quantity na pinurchase. Okay? Kasi may cost din ang warehousing. Okay? Maraming cost involved. Kaya laging kailangan ng transaction approvals. Now, punta tayo sa segregation of duties. Okay, dito sa segregation of duties, of course, kailangan merong magkakahiwalay yan. Yung warehouse mo. Okay? Pagdating sa warehouse, no? So, ibig sabihin, kailangan ang warehouse, proper ang recording niyan ng items. Okay? And yung mahawak ng items mo dito sa warehouse, dapat okay, siya yung naglalagay, let's say may dumating na items na receive ni merong receiving clerk. Okay, sige, gawin natin to. Merong receiving clerk na receive niya ang items, na inspect niya, may blind copy na tinatawag. Yung receiving clerk, i-check niya lang lahat ng items na na-receive. Okay? And then, sa warehouse naman, okay, ang gagawin niya is i-count niya, i-inspect niya yung item. Okay, ibibigay yung number. Now, ang warehouse, marireceive ni warehouse naman lahat ng items, ilalagay niya sa inventory shelves o dun sa mga shelves ng item. Si warehouse, meron siyang hawak ding purchase order na imamatch niya dun sa receiving clerk's copy na blind copy. Na tama ba according to the purchase order yung blind copy na na-receive niya kay receiving clerk o yun yung receiving report. Okay, so ibig sabihin, nire-reconcile nila lahat ng items ba na nakalagay dun sa purchase order and dun sa kinount ni clerk, tama ba? So, titingnan niya kung may mismatching sa items or kung may damaged items, dapat merong return na nangyari o dapat merong kang goods return notes. Okay? Kung may i-deliver naman yung items na receive ba ni receiving clerk yung delivery notes properly. Lahat ba ng items is na-inspect? Okay? So, kaya kailangan ng segregation of duties. Now, sa supervision, okay? Sa supervision, of course, kailangan merong inspection. Dito rin papasok yung inspection of records, inspection of assets. Okay? Actually, hindi mo napapansin kung ikaw ay nasa manufacturing at the end of the year, kailangan magkaroon ng cycle count. Okay? Or year-end physical counting. Kung ikaw naman ang company mo is merong counting committee, so then may cycle na nangyayari for counting every 3 months or even every 1 month. Okay? So, kailangan merong supervision para tama lahat ng accounting records mo sa accounts ng inventory mo. Okay? Nabibigay yung tamang value. Now, dito sa access controls, meron tayo diyang tinatawag, dito rin papasok actually yung CIS, direct controls or indirect controls. Simple lang naman yan. Yung indirect is merong limit ng access. Okay? Like for example, sa isang software, okay, sige, kung familiar ka sa QuickBooks, pwede kang mag-add ng mga accountants na they can just use journal entries pero hindi sila pwedeng makita ang mga reports. So that is, you can say that is indirect access. Kung ano, limited lang yung access mo dun sa system na meron. Okay? Then lastly is independent verification. Ito very important yan. Kasi sa independent verification, meron tayong tinatawag na AP verification by accounts payable or by general ledger. Okay? So, yan dalawa na yan yung ginagamit. Yung AP, of course, kasi pag na-receive na yung purchase order, okay, pag na-receive yung receiving report, na-receive yung supplier's invoices, so lahat nag-match yung tatlo, lahat tama. So, si accounts payable department, i-record yun na, niya na yung purchase invoice or supplier's invoice niya. Ngayon, yung supplier's invoice na yon, saan papasok yan? Dito sa general ledger, which is yun yung verification naman ng total obligations recorded na kailangan equal dun sa total receive ng company. Okay, na mga items. Now, pagkatapos, kailangan niya ring i-check, meron bang nagkaroon ba ng reductions, kasi meron damages, meron bang return, ano rin ba yung kailangang bayaran, outstanding balance dito per supplier. Okay, so kaya mayroon dapat independent verification dito. Iba yung taong naghahawak dito sa AP mo at sa general ledger mo. Iba pa rin yung maghahawak sa disbursements. Pag na-disburse na, nagkaroon na ng releasing ng checks, imamatch naman ngayon yung report ng payments, okay, ng checks listing against dito sa general ledger mo para maitama kung magkano na lang yung na babayaran sa supplier, sa bawat supplier. Now, just to give you, no? So, ayan yung ginagawa ng auditor. Okay, now, punta tayo dun sa understanding ng internal control ng purchasing department. Okay, para lang magkaroon tayo ng bird's eye view kung paano nangyayari ang purchasing. Okay, so ipakita ko lang sa iyo kung ano yung simple process na nangyayari. Okay, so from that simple process, may intindihan mo kung ano rin yung mga dinidiscuss nating mga documentations. Okay, ang process, okay, so ito yung purchasing cycle. Okay, doon tayo pumunta sa purchasing cycle. Okay, purchasing cycle. Ito ay pinaikli ko lang, okay, para mas madali mong maintindihan. Kasi kung ikaw ay estudyante, wala kang experience in accounts pa, kasi nga syempre, undergraduate ka o fresh graduate ka. So, ito yung understanding siguro na pinakamadali intindihin. Okay? So, creating purchase order. Yun yung first step in the procedure ng purchasing cycle. Pinaikli ko lang. Ordering of goods and services. Okay? Okay, let's say na-approve. Okay, so pwede na magkaroon ng ordering ng goods and services. And then, after that, magkakaroon ng receiving. Okay, kailangan ma-receive na yung goods and services. Okay, receiving of goods and services. Okay, whether services yan or goods yan. Okay, now, saan pupunta after that? Approving of invoices. Okay, so na-approve yung invoices. Natapos yung service, na-deliver yung items, na-receive mo na yung supplier's invoices. And then, of course, the last step here will be the payment of invoices. Okay? Now, papaano ba talaga nangyayari yung full process na to? Bago po mag-create ng purchase order, okay, this is the creation of purchase order. Okay? Like for example, no? Gagawa tayo ng whiteboard marker. Okay? So, si company, maraming orders. So, marami tayong kailangang i-produce. Now, okay, naubusan tayo ng items kung papaano natin gagawin yung yung final product na natin na whiteboard marker. So, ngayon, kailangan nating umorder ng ink, plastic, covers, no? Etong mga items na to. So, kailangan natin magkaroon ng purchase requisition. Okay, so ang pinaka first step actually niyan is yung purchase requisition. Pagkatapos ng purchase requisition, internally, meron kang purchase order. Etong purchase order na to, dito na papasok yung ordering of goods. Ibig sabihin, eto is, isi-send mo siya sa vendor. Okay? Or sa suppliers mo, yung purchase order mo. Okay, so nag-order na, lahat approve. Okay, of course dito is merong approval. Okay, tama ba? Sinabi ba ng boss ng purchasing is okay, wala na nga tayong items, so kailangan natin mag-order. Kung yan ay regular supplier, no? Of course, at the beginning pa lang, nag-sign na yan ng agreement, nagkaroon na ng checking, verification ng mga items, tapos na yung bidding process, nangyari na lahat, so regular supplier, eto, madali na lang siya, directly order ka na lang. By the way, this is, I'm explaining, it could be on a manual system or through software. Okay? Pero, of course, lahat ngayon nangyayari lahat is through software na email na lang. Lahat ng documentations with electronic signature as well and company stamp electronically. Okay? So, advanced na tayo. Hindi na yung during industrial period. Now, pagkatapos po natin ng order masend sa vendor, pupunta na tayo sa receiving of goods and services. Dito papasok, ang pinag-uusapan natin is manufacturing tayo, ha? Okay, pero pagdating din naman sa trading business, halos ganito rin yan. Ang nagkakaroon lang ng pagbabago kung ikaw ay service business. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan ng warehouse department. Okay, so dito is warehouse, of course, receiving of goods and services. Maraming checking na mangyayari dyan. Lahat i-check, yung blind copy na ma-receive, and then yung accounts payable pending file mo, dito pa lang. Okay, so ibig sabihin, lahat ng pending pa na marireceive ni warehouse, and then lahat ng recording, matching, no, mangyayari. So, okay lahat dito, no? So, ngayon, marireceive na ni company yung supplier's invoice or purchase invoice. Okay? So, ngayon, i-check lahat ba nag-match? Ano yung na-receive sa warehouse? Ano yung purchase order na na-receive? Ano yung receiving report na chinek ni receiving clerk? Yung blind copy niya, tama ba? Nag-match ma lahat yan. Pag yan ay nag-match, yung supplier's purchase invoice mo, okay? Kaya ito yung process, approve invoices. Papasok na yan sa recording mo sa accounts payable. Okay? Now, dito is, kung merong problema, may return items, meron damage items, or kailangan ng replacement, then ang company kailangan mag-receive ng credit note. Or there will be another process of delivery. Kailangan ulit mag-deliver sa warehouse. Okay, maybe next week, i-deliver nila. Then, kailangan mo ulit makareceive nung delivery notes record na yon. Now, once na na-approve na yung invoices, nasa accounts payable outstanding balances na siya, then, approval for payment of invoices. So, yan po yung purchasing cycle process natin. Okay? So, kung naiintindihan mo yan, okay ka dyan. Okay? So, yun lang po. And I hope natututo ka po sa ating FB Live Auditing Theory FB lessons. Please, okay, one thing that I'm asking you is please share this video so there will be many CPA aspirants na makakita po ng ginagawa natin. And especially, one of the weakness of the students is yung auditing theory. Okay, so yun lang po, and abangan nyo po yung kagaya ng sinabi ko, I'm doing a test banks. Okay, so ang first test banks natin and handouts na ilalabas ko is auditing theory. So abangan nyo po yan. So of course there will be my same changes again in my mind, in my head. Okay, maybe tax, maybe afar. It depends, no, kung ano yung mood ko talaga these days kasi may pinagdadaanan ako. But of course, what I will do is yung makakatulong po sa mga CPA aspirants natin. But since I have done already auditing theory, it will be easier for me na gumawa ng auditing theory test banks and handouts kasi nagawa na natin, nag-discuss na tayo. So kung meron kang tanong, pwede mo ring i-check, no, kung merong mali dun sa mga answer kinaginawa ko dun sa auditing theory, madali ko na siyang masasagot kasi na-recall ko na kasi I already teach you. And there are some videos already na na-upload ko sa YouTube which you can go back. Okay, so yun lang po. Like what I have said, lagi pong practice makes perfect. So let's perfect the auditing theory. So yun lang po. Have a nice day.